How to allow friends to join me in Roblox. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily allow your friends to join you on your Roblox games. But before we begin, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. Now let us jump right into the video. The very first thing you want to do is simply head over to roblox.com on your PC, or if you're using a mobile device or Mac, you are just going to have to make sure that you're logged in. So after doing so, what you could do is find your friends and see if any of your friends are playing, and if they are, see if there is an option to join them. And if there is not, then that means they have turned off that settings, and you might be doing the same. So to turn it on, what you can do is locate the settings icon or the gear icon at the top right corner and head over to settings. It might be different depending on the device, because if you're using a mobile device, you could find a 3 dots icon or something similar to that. And after doing so, head over to your privacy and content maturity. And after that, what you are going to do is tap on communications. Now from here, you just want to click on the experience chat. And from here, if you want everyone to experience chat in the server, make sure that it's set to everyone. And if you don't want anyone to do that, set this to no one. After doing this, just go back and click on party. So it will, the party allows you to chat and group up to join experiences together. So on party, make sure that it's set to friends, because you can allow your friends to join your experience together. And if you want your group party to be the same, just make sure that this is set to friends. And if your profile is public, then you also have an option to set this as everyone. You could do that as well. So that's pretty much it. That's how you allow your friends to join your experience or your game on Roblox. I hope you found the tutorial helpful. I'll see you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching.